Another demonstration would be he throws a punch at me, I block it, I come to here, I hit him here, and I take him to the ground. From this position, I can turn his arm here, roll it over. I can bend it again here, tip it this way, and turn into it this way. Knee on the back, and go to this movement, arm lock. So my hand is, my thigh is on his back, and my hand is here. From here, I can lift his shoulder, and he's in pain here. He's stretching. So from this position, I could turn this into a lock. He's already patting out. I could turn it into a lock right here, submission lock. If he starts to roll that way, away from me, if I give him enough of this, I can push his face down, step over top, and go into a technique like this. Now I put my knee on the ground like this, pin his hip and his shoulder, and just turn it. He's already patting out. I do the turn, submission this way. If his wrist turns this way, I can bring this into my body. This way, I can take the arm, scoop it up this way, put the fingers, pinky faces away against my body, and submit him this way. Now, would you, for the viewing audience, would you contest that that's like a fair assessment of a submission? He couldn't get up.
Yeah.
There were no strikes. He couldn't strike me. People say, "Oh, he can strike you in the groin," but as Neo can tell you, he's already in neural convergence. All his pain signals are going to his brain. He's not thinking so much of. You'd have to be a really, really well-trained street fighter to hit you in the groin at that time, because he's following the pain. He's moving away from pain, and I'm controlling him with pain compliance techniques that move him in a certain direction. Another example that is if he grabs my hand and throws a punch at me, I block here. I can use this elbow. Got his elbow here, and this hand. I'm just going to turn this into my back arm. Put him in an arm lock this way. It's Wakigatami standing. If he pulls out, he's really strong. He pulls back, I go to Kagagashi. I can slap this on and break it, or I can hit him, shot him in the neck, kick him in the groin, all that kind of stuff. But this submission is he goes down softly, take him down softly. I go to this position here and I bring him around this way. I put this position here on my elbow and twist the wrist this way. So that's another version. Grabs my wrist, lock it this way. This kind of a break. From here you can take him down, but just a shot here. Take the leg out, sweep the leg. So I do that, just kind of a takedown. Boom, sweep that leg, you go down.